Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to join Adidas affiliate program. But before I start the video, please subscribe and like this video, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in Adidas affiliate program and you want to click on the first link that's shown right over here. You need to wait for it to load up, and here you can read more about it, like welcome collaborators, get creative, inspire others, commitment to high standards, passionate pace, etc, etc. You have some FAQs right over here, and if you want to apply, you see this little apply now button. It's not very visible, but it's at the top. You basically click on apply now, and then you wait for a second, and you can log in with your Apple, Facebook, Google, Yahoo, or even your email address. Then you would click continue, create your account, and that will get you to the Adidas affiliate dashboard so that you can see your earnings amongst other stuff. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.